Good afternoon, David here. Weekly. Today is Friday, 14th of December. Video goes out at coming up 5 o'clock. So market's still open. Looking at UK market, November contract 2018. Yearly chart in front of us with monthly candles. We identified a clear upward trend still in place at the present moment. All the moving averages, the 10, 30, and the 60, all in place. And at the moment, we've got a green candle forming here, after swing low coming back to test 170. At the moment trading at 179.90. Pop down and see what's happening on the monthly. You can see here quite clearly we've got this green candle forming here, having a bit of a lift, nearly up £5 a tonne on the month. Pop down into the weekly, coming down into the daily, and we can see this chart here has got the short-term moving average, the 10 on it. And you can see here we're closing quite nicely, green candle above this. This is the May contract we're looking at the moment. And we're trading at 79.90. Pop down into a daily with the all-important 60 SMA. We've been watching this to see whether it come back and break up through it. Last week we were just below it. This week we've come up, and I'm just moving my mouse over it here. You can see that we've clearly broken through this now. We're well above it. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days above it, and we're breaking through a percentage band above it as well. So where would we be looking for next if we hold this rise? Let's pop over and look at the pro real-time charts. Give us an indication. On this daily chart here, on the Fibonacci retracement, we'd be looking for a test to come back up here and test 185. Breaking through the 180 would trigger this, I would feel. Let's pop down back and have a look at the daily chart. So here, looking for a close, if we get a close tonight above these 180, or even on Monday, then look for a run up next week back up until the 180 level. Now, that's a May contract. Let's pop over into the new contract. Simple chart here with the 10 SMA on it. And we can see here, this is nicely on the weekly here, closing above the 10 SMA, 162.50. Let's pop down into the daily on this one. Excuse me. And once again, we're looking for a break and a test of the 60 SMA. Well, that has clearly been broken here. We've held above it now, so we've got a time and price confirmation. And tonight we're closing at what is this, 2 monthly high, 162.50. If you cast your eye on this, you'd be looking sort of come up and test this swing high here for a possible run up next week to come up and test 167. Obviously, we would like to see the 160 held. This was swing low back in September for this move to carry on, but at the moment we're well above the 10 SMA, and this is even crossing the 60 at the present moment. Just see this more clearly on this chart. The red line is the 60, the green is the 10, and the 30 is down here at the moment. And you can see here we're closing firm, looking like we're going to close firm tonight. So next week we'll look for it to hold above the 60 SMA and look to go up and test the swing high here. On this chart you can see here 167. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.